The wind did roar, the skies turned gray. The ocean stole the light of day. But hearts like steel don't break, they bend. Jamaica, she will rise again.
What's up, family? Welcome back to the channel. And this is your place where we talk up the things. This is a space where we reason from the heart and we speak the truth and we tell it as it is. And so guys, I have been off for a few days because, as we all know, the situation that was going on in Jamaica. But now that I am settled, we are back in business. Tonight, guys, my heart is a bit heavy. And I know that a lot of you feel the same way. Because our beautiful island of Jamaica, the land that we love so much, has just walked through one of the roughest hurricanes we have ever had in history. Hurricane Melissa came like a raging lion out of the sea, roaring and tearing through Jamaica like she had a score to settle. She lit down tree were dead from before my grandparents born. She tear off roof like the roof them did make out of paper, and she mash up the road them like a sun. Then they just throw down for cover it. She mash up road from Negril to Moran Point. Why people hiding at their house, pray for mercy. Them a hold on tight and a watch the wind and dance with the roof, and the breeze just a lift them up and a take them away. Guys, based on reports that I have heard and seen and videos that you see everywhere, wow, those that were directly affected, because reports are that Melissa entered in Westmoreland. Some people say it entered in St. Elizabeth, some say Westmoreland. I'm not too sure, but the two parishes are adjoining, so it entered Westmoreland and St. Elizabeth. And Black River totally destroyed. Same way down at Westmoreland, White House, Petersfield, the whole of that section there, Westmoreland, totally destroyed. Guys, I cannot say I understand how those people feel, because I have never been through anything like that. I can just imagine their mental space at the time when all of these are gone. And now that Melissa has passed, guys, the pain has just begun for some people, because some communities have been totally destroyed, and we're not mentioning the lives that were lost. So far, I think the count is about 21 thereabout. Wow. And then most communities are in total darkness. No light, no water, no road, and then some people are marooned in their block in and help cannot reach them. Some people lose the house that they have spent all their lives to build, and they not only lose the house, they lose every piece of furniture. Some people, the only thing them save is a suit of clothes and them back. Some of them standing on the ground where their house used to be, and all they have is memories of the wind and the rain taking away the house that they have spent all their lives to build. But guys, hear me now. Even in the middle of all this heartbreak, the Jamaican spirit is stronger than the 185 miles per hour wind that Melissa did carry upon us. We Jamaicans are built different. We bend but we not break. We come in like some of the bamboo them down a Alan bamboo. When in the storm, them lean to the ground but them never break. We will rise again. Because from time to time we face hardship. We have faced hurricane before. We have faced earthquake, flooding, and poverty. And still we find a reason to smile. We find a reason to praise God. And we find a reason to get up and go again. Right now, what is happening is phenomenal. We see unity shining brighter than the morning sun. Neighbors are helping neighbors clean up their yard. Young people are lifting tree limb and tree trunk like Trojan. Soldiers, healthcare workers are everywhere helping out. That is the real Jamaican spirit. Love, unity, and faith. Right now, government and healthcare workers and aides and volunteers are on the ground trying to reach everyone that has been affected. And we just have to big them up because it takes a lot of mental and physical strength to do that. So guys, right now, we just have big on keep Jamaica in your prayers. Keep everyone who has been affected in your prayers. Pray for Jamaica land we love. It will take a whole heap before we come back. Pray for the families who have lost everything. And if you can give a helping hand, give it. If you can donate, donate. If you can share a word of kindness or just to cheer up somebody, do it. Every little act of kindness at this time is appreciated. We have to rebuild this island hand in hand and heart to heart. Guys, right now Jamaica might be bruised, but we are not broken. We are here standing on our motto which says, out of many, one people. Together, we are going to build back stronger, brighter, and better. Because no storm can drown the Jamaican spirit. Guys, the sun will shine again upon this land, the land of wood and water. We want to know if you believe that. So guys, right now, big up on yourself. Those who have been affected by the storm, stay strong. Those of you who have family members who have been affected, keep them in your prayers and keep the faith. Those of you who have not yet heard from your family members who are in the affected areas, just keep the faith and keep on praying. And for those of us who were not directly affected, let us first and foremost give God thanks for his coverage. Let us send up prayers for those in need. Let us help in whatever way we can. Let us just pray for Jamaica land we love. So guys, stay strong and remember, We are Jamaicans, and we will rise again.
The wind did roar, the skies turned gray. The ocean stole the light of day. But hearts like steel don't break, they bend. Jamaica, she will rise again.
Through every tear, through every pain, the sun will find us after rain.
Oh, Jamaica, she will rise again. Through the ashes, through the howling wind, her spirit's stronger than the storm. Her heart will keep the island warm.
The trees may fall, the roofs may go, but roots run deep in the soil we know. The rivers sing, the hills defend. Jamaica, she will rise again.
Brick by brick, hand in hand,
We'll rebuild this blessed land.
voices lift a healing hymn. Jamaica, she will rise again.
Oh, Jamaica, she will rise again.
Through the ashes,
Through the howling wind, her spirit's stronger than the storm. Her heart will keep the island warm.
oh, Jamaica,
She will rise again.
through the ashes,
Through the howling wind, her spirit's stronger than the storm. Her heart will keep the island warm. Ooh, Jamaica, she will rise again. Through the ashes, through the howling wind, her spirit's stronger than the storm. Her heart will keep the